Hello and welcome to AFD TV. I'm your host Savita here with my dad Dr. Sam and my sister Sithadas Madrala. Today we're going to talk about 3 associated reasons for why we hiccup.
Number 1, too much food is eaten too rapidly.
Number 2, gas in your stomach.
And number 3, a quick change in temperature.
So basically anytime you do have gas in your stomach, and changes in temperature, of course, can increase the gas in your stomach too. And taking your time to eat slowly and enjoy your food will help decrease hiccups and gas in general. Also trying to avoid foods that can cause gas as well too, including acidic food can decrease hiccups. And then of course making sure when we are eating, drink lots of water as well. And the water will help hopefully dissolve some of that gas in our stomach and avoid the hiccups. So, do your girls hiccup much? Every once in a while we do hiccup. It's natural. Looks like it's time for some water. Okay, so take it away.
Thank you for watching AFD TV. See you next time.
AFD TV is designed to provide an educational discussion about current medical topics. For a personalized medical opinion, please consult your primary care physician or visit one of America's family doctors' clinics today.